In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security and Privacy. Then tap on Lock Screen here and pick one of those login methods: PIN, password or pattern. Click on the best one. Create your login method. If you made a mistake, tap on Retry at the bottom left corner and enter it correctly. Then hit Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you're ready, select Confirm. Now adjust the lock screen notifications however you want to by operate all of those settings. And tap on blue switcher at the top, confirming your choice in the pop-up if you want to block them completely. You can tap on the same now gray switcher to switch them back on by tapping on Turn On in the smaller pop-up. Wherever you decided when you finished, hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!